Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a DeeRC, and this is a helicopter. It's a SQN040, so let's open it up, see what we get inside. I had one similar from DeeRC a while ago, and it absolutely awesome. Super stable. Cannot wait to get this up and flying as well. Cool box. That's what we get inside. So, looks like everything's tied in here pretty good. So let's get that untied. And super anxious to get it out of the box itself. So that's what it looks like from underneath. Let me get that better into the camera frame. So that is the bottom. Has an on-off switch. Has a remote control right here. Let's open that. So that is the remote control, and looks like this is all like the spare parts and everything that comes with it. So you have your directions, you got your battery in here, battery charger, some spare propellers, which is always good. You don't want to ever think about something crashing, but it happens. So, and I think here is a screwdriver to help replace some of these parts on here. And to get into the battery compartment of the remote, so let's see what kind of batteries the remote takes. So we'll just open that up. So it looks like this takes 3 AAA batteries, not included. And then this is the battery. Actually, it looks like batteries, so you get 2 batteries. How awesome is that? Love that already. So this is your charging cable. So pretty neat. Looks like it is a C-type plug. So let's get this plugged in here. And then let's look on the side here. So that right up here is where you charge the battery at. And it looks like you get a little red light, and that should turn green or actually go out when it's fully charged. So let's let those batteries charge up, and then we'll come back and we'll get flying. So stay tuned. Okay, so the battery you are basically putting in like this. Push it snug, and then you want to push it up till you hear it click in place. That is your on switch. Then that's your on switch for that. Then this is your takeoff. Oh, you got to pair first. So up and down pairs it. That's your 1-button takeoff. Anyway, super stable gyro. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.